Hey guys, so I'm back today with another video, but today I want to talk about the new iPhone SE 2020. Why? Well, because it will probably be the best-selling smartphone, and I will tell you why in just a moment. But before that, I want to share with you some other important things, and then we will also see some specifications. Welcome back everyone. I know that you didn't expect this kind of video, and if you're new, just keep watching if you're interested in this iPhone. So I wanted to make a more relaxed video. I don't know if it's relaxed or not, but anyway, because iPhone just released a new iPhone and I'm here with my iPhone thinking about what the heck is Apple doing? You probably know that the price of the iPhone SE 2020 starts at $399, and it's a better deal compared with all the other iPhones. But in my opinion, they managed to release a quite good iPhone with a mid-range price just at the perfect time. I really don't know if this was planned and if they were already working on it. Maybe you know, and you can leave a comment if you want to, but I'm sure that it was the perfect timing. With all the pandemic and people losing their jobs, the economy going down, well, it's not a moment for a $2,000 iPhone, right? Or another hypothesis is that Apple thought about those people that can't afford an 11 Pro Max or this one, which is the maximum fine gold caviar iPhone XS Max that costs more than my car, $15,340. So from now on, who can't afford a $1,000 iPhone can finally be happy because now there's an iPhone for their budget. Okay guys, so now let's see some specifications and if you should buy it. So let's go and see it. So the design, it's like the iPhone 8, so that means you will have wireless charging, Touch ID and one single camera. It has a 4.7-inch Retina HD display and it comes with the fastest chip in a smartphone. It has basically the same A13 processor as the iPhone 11 Pro, but it comes with 3 gigabits of RAM. So yes, that makes the fastest chip in a $400 phone. You also might want to know more about the camera as well, and I must say that it has a pretty good camera of 12 megapixel with the same generation Smart HDR for photos. The portrait mode has all 6 portrait lighting effects. What else? It's water resistant, up to 1 meter for maximum 30 minutes, and it comes in 3 colors: black, red and white. Oh, and something that I really love about this iPhone is that you can use the front camera with the portrait mode and blur the background. And if you're interested in the video quality, well, it features 4K 60 FPS just like the 11 Pro. Okay, if you really are so interested in these tech details more than I am, well, I think you can go and check more in depth all the specifications on the Apple website or all over the internet. But another thing to consider about the iPhone SE is that it has dual SIM, so you can use 2 different phone numbers and don't spend a fortune, of course, if you want an iPhone. Now, if you have an older iPhone like iPhone 6, 6 Plus, 7 and so on, you can trade in and get your iPhone SE for a lower price. Let's see what other things you can find on the Apple website about the new iPhone SE. So, the Apple Senior Vice President of Worldwide Marketing said that the first iPhone SE was a hit with many customers who loved its unique combination of small size, high-end performance and affordable price. The new second generation iPhone SE builds on that great idea and improves on it in every way, including our best ever single camera system for great photos and videos. He also said that iPhone SE features the industry-leading performance of A13 Bionic that enables great battery life. Well, this we will see if that's really true or not. And that takes stunning portrait mode and smart HDR photos, shoots amazing videos with stereo audio, is great for games and super fast web surfing and is built with the same industry-leading security features our customer expect. And he finishes the phrase with, "We can't wait to get iPhone SE into customers' hands." Of course they want. Okay, so we will have to see if it's as good as it seems. And in my opinion, it's the perfect iPhone for girls, especially because it's compact and it's small, even if I prefer the larger ones, the plus ones.
Are you serious?
And hopefully next year Apple will consider to make another generation for the SE with a bigger display. So guys, this was my video talking about the iPhone SE. I'm a big fan of Apple and iPhones. Not the cost, just the iPhones especially. So I couldn't miss this one and I really hope that you enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you want to see more videos. I mainly talk about how to make money online and how to grow on YouTube. But sometimes I just feel I want to give you something different, so you can expect this kind of videos and other kind of videos in this channel. And okay, I should stop talking. Have a great weekend. Bye bye.